And so let's just take that intention of having our lives be a benefit to all into a time of meditation, into this time of prayer, this time of peace, this time of oneness. And so with that as our intention, we center now into this divine space. Gently breathing into this moment. We feel and know Spirit's guidance, Spirit's peace, and Spirit's presence. During this sacred moment, other thoughts, other worries, other concerns of what might still be yet to come in this day might pop up in our heads. And if they do, we just gently acknowledge that they're there and we set them aside. For in this moment, in this time, this right here and right now, we focus on the presence of Spirit and that still small spark of divinity that we find within our heart. In this moment, we choose to connect with the faith that we are. Not the faith that is outside of us, but a faith within our hearts. A faith that acts as our guiding light, that keeps us hopeful and grounded, that keeps us free from doubt and worry. A faith that allows us to plan securely for our future, for we know that we co-create that experience of our future with the divine in us, as us, and through us. And so we choose in this moment to move past a place of hope, a place of begging, a place of desire, and instead move into a place where we are firmly and fully planted in the faith of Spirit. The faith that says that we are assured of all of the things that we need. The faith that says that when we take these steps together with Spirit, our divine good, our divine grace, our divine abundance is guaranteed. For in Spirit, with Spirit, through Spirit, all things are possible. And so we call forth all of the wisdom, the power, the love, the strength of God in this moment. And we allow that wisdom, that power, that love, that strength to do all that it is to do within us and within our hearts as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, with hearts filled with peace, with love, with hearts filled with the assurance that we are divinely supported, we move now into the rest of our experience this day. As we allow that presence of spirit to co-create this day with us, we allow gratitude to fill our hearts. As we know that in this place, we are thankful for the light, the love, the presence of spirit that shines within our lives. And so it is with a commitment to shine that presence that we re-enter this day. And so it is. Amen.